inspiring opening remarks. And now to help us understand how our contestants will be judged today, and to introduce the esteemed members of our panel, let us welcome Sir James Quintayo for the presentation of our criteria for judging and the introduction of our jury.
Palakpakan sa akin, wala pa talaga namimili. Good afternoon, panel of judges, kids, fellow science teachers, maayong hapon sa tanan. Good afternoon. Okay, so to be judged as our scientists look alike, we have here first our mechanics. First, must imitate the scientist, can be local or foreign. Second, should imitate the costume, clothes, physical appearance, or the looks of the chosen scientist. Third, invention or discovery of the scientist will be presented within 2 minutes. And fourth, background props are allowed. For the criteria for judging, we have here creativity 50%, which includes the resemblance to the imitated scientist, costume, makeup, and looks. 30% came from the presentation, your speech, and the audience communication. And stage presence, which include the overall impact, is 20%, with a total of 100%. Ayan, so, para tulungan kami mga grade 6 science teachers to choose. Siyempre, lahat kayo best na eh. But the best among the best. Di ba may top 5 tayo na kukunin? First will receive a gold medal. Second is silver medal. And the third, fourth, and fifth placers will receive a bronze medal, courtesy of our science school coordinator, Sir Victor. Paano si Sir? Ayan. Sila nag-prepare ng medals nyo, kaya kung hindi nyo gagaling, wala kayong medals galing sa kanya. Okay, so let me introduce to you our judges for today's activity, Scientists Look Alike Edition for grade 6. And our first judge, of course, is Dr. Julieta C. Fabro. Ayan. Baka magtanong mo ba, hindi naman si ma'am. Hindi ako train, siya po ang taga-critic ko. Ganito gawin mo, i-improve yung ganito. So ngayon, tutulungan niya tayo para mapili kung sino yung top 5. Our second judge, of course, kilala niyo na siya. Yung iba dito, naging teacher niya noong grade 5. Ang masasabi ko, isa siya sa pinaka-excellent na science teacher natin dito sa Pembo Elementary School. Hindi na science teacher,